Hi everyone. Sadly, I'm not a high net worth individual. I'm Chris.
And I guess I'm Greta. So, as we have seen, HSBC has blazed the trail by combining the power of automation in Symphony and WhatsApp without sacrificing compliance. This is really a game changer. What do you think, Chris?
It's impressive stuff. It's a tough act to follow, but we'll have a go. We'll give it our best shot. So, thankfully, many of you already rely on Symphony for our enterprise-grade security and compliance features, and let's be honest, we're really good at that. What we have seen, though, is growth in new areas like private banking, insurance, and really anywhere that client-facing teams need a multi-channel approach. Clients expect to be seamlessly connected on WhatsApp, SMS, Line, and advisors really need an external gateway to get from Symphony or Microsoft Teams out to WhatsApp without the pain of context switching or any complicated workflows. We've all experienced the pain of losing that post-it note with all your passwords written on it. And no?
Yeah.
No, just me.
Yes.
Okay. Carry on.
And that's where Federation comes in. It is the most mature multi-channel solution on the market, already trusted by many of the regulated financial firms, and gives you the confidence to engage with your clients, whether they are on WhatsApp, WeChat, Line, or reverse SMS. But we didn't want to stop here. We wanted to go a bit further. So we have integrated the power of our Federation products and their security with Microsoft Teams. So Microsoft Teams is widely used. It comes as a package, and not all the companies use Symphony messaging. Too bad for them. So this integration really brings the regulated communication into a unified workspace and help the professionals maintaining the context continuity and the centralization across all channels.
Exactly. So today we'll look at how we've embedded that powerful federated solution into Microsoft Teams and increase those connectivity options, but also giving you the discretion to use either UI. So you're not necessarily just having to use Symphony as the front end now. We're going to walk through 3 live scenarios. So first of all, we're going to connect out to WhatsApp from Microsoft Teams. Secondly, we'll introduce a demo AI agent that we've developed for this WhatsApp workflow. And then lastly, we're going to connect all of this back to Symphony messaging.
Yes, and to keep our hands free, we have our colleagues, Alex and Maxime, helping us live from the demo booth. Thank you, guys.
Okay,
right.
Let's go.
So we'll start with an introduction to Federation via Teams. And first, we'll show you how we empower advisors to stay in Teams and clients to stay on their preferred channel, still communicating seamlessly with each other.
Great. So we'll imagine that I'm the advisor. I'm going to choose to stay in Microsoft Teams, and you can see that we've got my Teams page up here, and I've got a pre-existing chat with Greta.
And I will play the clients using my preferred channel, WhatsApp.
So I'm going to ask my glamorous assistant, Maxime, to send a message, please, to Greta. And remember, I'm going to stay in Microsoft Teams throughout, and we'll see if the demo gods are kind to us. That message come through on Greta's WhatsApp.
Yes.
Any second now. It's a good message, so it might take...
Yep.
There you go.
And Alex, maybe we can just show that I can reply to Chris just like any other WhatsApp conversation. So for sure, this is a game changer already. But Chris, I think Mike showed this at the end of last Innovate. So I am sure we can show something a bit more exciting than this, right?
I thought you might say that, yeah. So we'll take a big step forward, and we're going to look at how we can embed an AI agent into this workflow between Teams and WhatsApp. So our customers are already using these kind of workflows across things like automated portfolio alerts, notifications about financial opportunities, right through to personalized onboarding experiences.
That's right, Chris. So we have designed a demo AI agent that can function across multiple channels and automate the routing conversation, giving you more time to focus on high value and meaningful client interactions if you, like Chris, really love to talk.
I do, but don't let me interrupt. Carry on.
Okay, so let's show you how this works in practice. So as a client, Alex, you can show how if I click on the link Chris has sent me previously, that I am connected to the demo agent directly on WhatsApp. So here you'll see that I am connected to the Golden Nugget Research agent, and maybe we can say hello, because we never know if we are polite. Maybe we'll get some good surprise.
There we go. So, good reaction times from the bot, much better than mine still. And it's very politely introduced itself and is ready to help Greta with some market insights, pricing, latest news. I'm not actually involved in this yet as an advisor, so Greta's getting these insights. I haven't actually stepped into the conversation yet.
Yeah. So let's imagine I really need the latest on gold research, but I don't want to disturb my advisor, Chris, because I think he's busy at a conference today.
Yep.
Okay. So, Alex, can we please ask the bot what's happening with gold today? So, still need to type my message into WhatsApp, and then the bot will provide me with accurate information. And the agent, of course, uses data which is approved by your firm to share the gold price and as well some helpful market context. Now, let's say that I'm not satisfied, I want more information. So, Alex, can you please see if we can get some more analysis on this?
Okay, let's see what the bot's got in store for us. Okay, golden nugget delivered. So, if you're more of a pictures person like me, then you can share real-time infographics, exactly the kind of engaging, intelligent content that advisors would love to send to their customers, I'm sure. So far, so good. Deep breath, next bit. This is also about connectivity across channels. So, the bot offers a chat to an advisor function there underneath the infographic.
Correct, so that the client always stays in control of the conversation without leaving WhatsApp. Now, I really want to disturb Chris, so Alex, can you please show that we can click on the Chat to an Advisor button? So here, the bot will be able to directly hand off the context to a human advisor. The agent will create a new WhatsApp chat for me, including automatically my advisor in there. And then, if required, also we can add in there the chat history so that my advisor will be up to speed and I will not need to repeat myself.
Perfect. Okay, so let's have a look at it from my side of things as the advisor. Now, I've been strongly advised not to use my personal WhatsApp to message with clients. It can get awkward. I mean, Greta, you remember the thing before the end of last year? I sent you the TikTok video. No, not now? No, okay. Carry on. So, compliance have advised me to stay in Microsoft Teams for all of my customer conversations, which I think sounds like a good idea. I've got a new inquiry chat up here, and if we just go there, we can see that Greta's already been added. I've got the conversation history already loaded there, so there's no guesswork on my part. No app switching. I still haven't left Microsoft Teams. Greta, you've stayed in WhatsApp throughout. So it's not just a messaging bridge. This is end-to-end workflow with intelligent, compliant flexibility. We're going to send the message from my Microsoft Teams account there across to Greta's WhatsApp account. And we'll see Greta receive that message, and I obviously have the message history. I know Greta pretty well. I'm going to move fast on this one, and I can send our detailed gold research summary to Greta.
Okay, so I can receive directly the attachment on my WhatsApp.
So, we've seen how we can transform interactions using AI agents. Advisors are able to meet their clients on their preferred channel and stay in Microsoft Teams, but we haven't had to sacrifice any of that ability to stay compliant and capture and retain the data. Now, as many of you know, I'm a very organized person, and so I'm going to diligently update my research desk on the discussion. To keep things interesting, of course, because we're at Innovate, my desk is going to be on Microsoft Teams, on Symphony Messaging. I'll stay on Microsoft Teams. But we can still chat directly using our Teams interop, so no need for anyone to switch any apps. Maxime, if you can just let the Gold Desk know about the conversation with Greta, and if we can actually get her added to the distribution list for our Gold research, that would be great. And we'll see on Symphony, acknowledgement there. So all done across the two platforms.
All right, so I guess time to wrap up.
Yep.
In just a few minutes, you have seen how this workflow blends three powerful components.
Yep. So we saw Federation, which connects us with their clients on their preferred channel.
Next is Microsoft Teams interoperability, which allows advisors to directly operate from Teams.
And finally, that AI automation piece, which allowed us to plug in that Agentic AI demo bot into that Federation workflow, and something that you could basically take maybe our trending topics data from earlier, you could factor that in, sales enablement, make those advisors look good. So, yeah.
Great. So,
all done.
Yeah, all done. We have reached the end of our demo, so I hope it was interesting for you.